So my name is Courtney Kollar. I graduated from the University of New Haven in 2023 in May 2023 from the Master's of Arts program in Industrial Organizational Psychology. So I'm actually living in Stamford, Connecticut. So it's about an hour south of the Merritt when you go to New Haven. I'm working at Barnes. It's a manufacturing company located in Bristol, Connecticut, and my current title is HR Project Specialist. Significant postgraduate experience. I would say definitely at Barnes, I was able to actually, what I do a lot, the nature of my role is a lot of project management. So sometimes they give me a lot of projects to manage, but I think some of the bigger projects I've worked on is recruiting conference planning. So they've actually sent me to a conference in March for the National Society of Black Engineers, which I was able to manage the whole team, and they trained me to lead the team, to recruit and create a booth and set up the booth at the conference and be along companies like Boeing. We had Lockheed Martin was there, big companies and big competitors of ours in the manufacturing industry. But we were able to go and recruit for diverse talent and increase the inclusive culture here at Barnes. So that was a really rewarding experience for sure. And I got to go to Atlanta, Georgia for the first time on the company dime. So that was really fun. I would say the way my interests have changed over time. So originally, when I was in the program, I knew from the get-go that I really wanted to do consulting. And I took an intro to consulting class. I remember my first semester, and I really wanted to travel. I really wanted to get to know a company well enough to be able to advise it to um, kind of go in a better direction than what the current state would be. Um, my interests have drastically changed. I'm not sure if I want to do consulting anymore, honestly, because I've really fallen in love with HR and organization development. Since being in HR, that was what my internship was in, and since learning about it in my classes and in my second year, while doing my internship at the same time as taking the classes, I was really moved and swayed by how you can make people's livelihoods so much better in the workplace right here and right now. And the jobs open in HR are endless. And the way that you can, pick a different industry if you want to try that out, pick a different field of HR, there's benefits, payroll. I'm in the talent acquisition field, which I love. There's also so many segments of HR that you can explore. And it's just kind of a cool world that I feel like I've discovered for myself, and I'm excited to explore it more.